welcome to our YouTube channel.
How are you? We come up with a new idea today.
It's making bubble mixture. Your favorite, right? Come on, let's see how we are making. Do the first step. Now we are going to make the bubble mixture. So we need a bowl of water and we need 2 cups of sugar and we need some dishwashing liquid.
So, if you're taking 2 spoons of sugar, exactly, you have to take 2 spoons of this liquid, washing liquid. So, let me go fill some water. That's perfect. Sorry.
Liquid.
Little bit more. Little bit more could use. There's only some. Perfect.
Now Bobby took a bowl of water. Now she's gonna put 2 spoons of sugar. Okay, now I'm gonna put 2 liquid.
This is the last spoon of liquid. That's enough, could you?
Bye mix it more to make it more yellow. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like the diamonds in the sky.
Now it's nice and bubbly.
Yeah, and now it's time to test it out.
Okay, so we got lots of bubbles here. So do we have to mix more?
Yes, by mix more.
Okay. Yeah, it's perfect now. Guys, this is our bubble blower. So you can take any object that has a hole in it. Okay, so that we could blow bubbles like that. Bubbles will go right. So that's why we bought this.
Now come on, boy, let's test it out. To test the bubble mixture out. Come on. Come bring it. Now let's test the bubble out. Going out to the sun. Bye. It's not working, so the first one is not working. Let's go. It came to full stress. Put it out of bubble.
You tried blowed one bubble, now it works. So your turn.
Oh wait, let me just try one more time.
It's okay. Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's right out. It's not like that. Let me show you.
Okay.
That was amazing. Slowly, like this. No, it didn't work. So let me dip it.
It came to my hand.
Oh, it popped on my leg.
Can I catch the bubble this time? Yes. You throw the biggest bubble you can. Good job. What? Come here.
Can you blow another one?
You. 2 bubbles.
If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button.
And please try it out and If you try, let us know.